Welcome to Daily News in AI Agents, the place to get a quick roundup of the most exciting developments in AI agents every day. Subscribe to our LinkedIn newsletter today in the link below to stay activated. All right, jumping right into it. Today, we're taking a deep dive into some major AI news.
Yeah, things CEOs, data scientists, and tech leaders definitely need to know.
Absolutely. The AI world just never slows down.
Right. Gotta stay on top of it.
So first up, let's talk money.
Okay, yeah.
AI startups just raked in a record-breaking $97 billion last year.
Oh.
And that's out of a total of $314 billion invested across all startups globally.
I mean, that is a huge chunk of change. What's driving all that investment?
It's got to be a pretty strong signal that people are really confident about AI's potential.
Yeah, like transforming entire industries.
Exactly.
Healthcare, finance, manufacturing, even entertainment, you name it.
And when you see names like OpenAI and xAI securing massive funding rounds,
Oh, yeah, those were big.
it's pretty clear the competition is heating up.
Definitely. It's not just theoretical research anymore.
No, it's about building stuff that actually works in the real world.
Right, and delivers results.
And speaking of building, we got to talk about the hardware side of things.
Okay.
Nvidia, already a leader in the AI chip space, they're making some big moves.
Always pushing the limits.
Their new RTX 50 series GPUs, including the RTX 5090, are pretty groundbreaking.
Oh, for sure. Not just a minor upgrade.
Not at all.
The new architecture allows real-time processing for super complex 3D models.
And for your data scientists,
Yeah.
that means faster simulations, quicker training times.
Ultimately, faster innovation.
But it's not all about those massive, expensive chips.
Right.
Nvidia also unveiled something called Project Digits.
Oh, yeah. I read about that.
It's a mini PC for just $3,000, powered by a shrunk-down Grace Blackwell superchip.
I mean, that's incredible for making AI more accessible.
Absolutely. High-performance AI isn't just for huge companies anymore.
Exactly. Smaller businesses, research teams, even individuals.
They can all get in on the action now.
Yeah, level playing field.
And this shift is really reflected in Foxconn's recent success.
They're doing pretty well, right?
They are. They just reported record revenue, largely driven by AI servers.
Wow, that's a big deal.
It is. They're the world's largest contract manufacturer.
Right, right.
So this is something everyone deploying AI solutions needs to think about.
Yeah, what do you mean?
The demand for AI hardware is exploding.
Oh, so supply chains could become a problem.
Exactly. You got to make sure you can actually get the hardware you need.
Good point.
Okay, so we've got big investments, powerful hardware, huge demand.
What else is there?
How about real-world applications?
Oh, okay, yeah.
One of the big things gaining traction is AI agents.
AI agents, what are those?
Think of them like digital assistants on steroids.
Huh.
They
Yeah.
learn your preferences, automate tasks, even make decisions based on data.
So your team can focus on the big picture.
Exactly. Less busy work, more strategy and creative problem solving.
Interesting. Are there many tools out there?
Tons. There's even a curated directory with over 100 AI agent tools.
Wow. So are they ready to use these tools?
Well, the potential is huge, but we're still early on. One thing we're seeing is that specialized tools designed for specific tasks are working best.
So a one-size-fits-all AI agent isn't really viable yet.
Right. Focus is key.
Okay, I see.
And a good example of that is Visual Insight.
What's Visual Insight?
It's a new application using Google's Gemini AI for automated image analysis.
Interesting.
It uses Streamlit for the user interface, AWS for cloud storage, and Docker for containerization.
So it's pulling from a lot of different technologies.
It is, and what's cool is that it makes complex analysis really user-friendly.
Okay. Yeah, how so?
Imagine analyzing market trends from social media images instantly,
That's amazing.
or automatically spotting anomalies in your manufacturing process.
All thanks to AI-powered image recognition.
Exactly. It's about delivering real value across different industries.
Cool.
Now, this one's pretty interesting. AI is even breaking into Hollywood.
Really?
A startup called Flawless is using AI to edit and dub movies seamlessly.
Wow, is that just a gimmick?
It's more than that. Imagine adapting films for different languages and cultures effortlessly.
So like opening up new markets for filmmakers.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
potentially changing how global audiences experience movies.
That's really something.
And speaking of revolutionizing industries, there's another news item that shows just how pervasive AI is becoming.
Okay, what is it? So an Nvidia researcher, he actually said that AI is the new graphics.
That's a pretty bold statement. What does it even mean for, like, businesses in the real world?
Well, I think it points to a kind of a fundamental change in how we view technology.
Okay.
Just like graphics processing, revolutionized computing and user interfaces.
Right.
AI is poised to have that same like transformative impact.
Across a ton of industries.
Exactly. It's a whole new way of thinking about, how we design, build, interact with everything around us.
So it's not just about automating tasks, it's changing how we do business, period.
Exactly. Those who get it, who embrace AI, they'll be the ones shaping the future.
And those who don't.
They'll be left behind.
All right, let's switch gears a bit. Talk about some changes happening over at Meta.
Oh, okay. What's going on?
They're getting rid of third-party fact-checking and going with a user-driven community notes system.
Interesting.
And they're moving their trust and safety teams to Texas.
So those are some pretty big moves, could have some major consequences.
Absolutely. Shifting to community-based content moderation that raises some questions.
Yeah, like how do you manage misinformation and harmful content when AI is involved?
It's almost like giving the public the keys to your company's social media.
Right. You might get more diverse input, but you could lose control of the message.
Exactly. It's a tough balance.
And the move to Texas, that adds another layer.
Definitely.
Could signal a shift in their whole approach to content moderation, how they deal with politics, all that.
It's a lot to think about. It could be interesting to see how it plays out.
For sure, CEOs and tech leaders need to keep an eye on this.
Absolutely.
How social media evolves, it directly impacts how you communicate with customers, manage your brand, everything.
So this deep dive, we've covered a lot.
We have, yeah.
Record investments, new hardware, groundbreaking applications across industries.
It's clear that AI is not just some future thing anymore. It's here. It's changing everything.
And it's only getting faster.
Exactly. So the key takeaway, don't wait for AI to disrupt your industry, disrupt yourself.
Be proactive, right?
Yeah, explore the possibilities, start experimenting, see how AI can help your organization succeed.
Yeah, with all this talk about industries and companies changing, we can't forget about the impact on, regular people.
Right, it's not just about corporations.
Exactly. We're seeing all these AI agents popping up designed to help individuals.
Like in their everyday lives.
Yeah, think of it as a personal AI assistant.
Always there to help out.
Managing your finances, scheduling appointments, even helping you learn new skills.
And it's all tailored to you.
Exactly. Your needs, your preferences is pretty amazing.
That could really boost productivity.
And personal growth, for sure.
As these AI agents get, more advanced. And they will. They're learning all the time.
They could really change how we work, how we learn, how we interact with the world.
Yeah, it's a future full of possibilities.
But also challenges. Right.
Definitely. So for CEOs, data scientists, tech leaders out there,
what should they be thinking about?
AI isn't just some tool you implement. It's a force that's reshaping society.
That's a big thought.
It is. The decisions you make today about AI, they'll have huge consequences.
For your businesses.
And for the future we're all building together.
So as we wrap up this deep dive,
stay
curious, stay informed, stay engaged.
This is a conversation that needs all of us.
To participate, to think critically, to work together to make sure AI benefits everyone.
Well said.
That's it for today's episode. Hope you found it insightful.
And thought-provoking. Until next time, keep pushing those boundaries with AI.
But responsibly, ethically, and with a vision for a future where technology empowers us all.
Absolutely.